Alright, so I asked this customer, do they have heat? And she said, yeah, I got heat. I got a wall heater. I go, well, what about the furnace? Well, I haven't started it up in a couple of years. We're in Michigan. And I don't know. Jeez. Here. Alrighty. Boy, oh boy. Oh my God, I can't even get in there. Oh, it's pretty wicked. Oh, it's an old dedicated. It's an old dedicated. Oh, what you want to call it? Oh. Oh. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. What is that, an old saw blade? Oh my Lord. This thing's pure crust. And now, no, this thing's, that gas valve is way, there's so much moisture down here. Ooh, look at that scary spider. Ooh. Sometimes you just have to walk away. I probably can't even get the gas valve to move. Because the pilot's out. No, the gas valve won't even move. Oh. I can't get it to light the pilot. Oh boy. Alright. Let me get out of here. That was a special one, first thing in the morning. Yeah, it's like, just get to work and, hey, go out to this one. And I asked the customer, I'm like, do you have heat? She's like, yeah. Okay, she's got this little vent-free wall heater. I'm like, does that heat the whole house? She's like, no. She's like, the furnace is under the house. I'm like, okay, we'll get under there and look, not a problem. And that's what I found. So she had told me she hasn't had heat in a few years. And it's like, how in Michigan do you not have heat in a few years? And you know, I understand there's hardship, but I mean, that's rough. So I don't really want to put a furnace back there because it's I mean, it's a really small house. It's got to be 700 square feet. So I started talking to her about another wall furnace, a bigger wall furnace, but yeah, that's, you know, some of the stuff you run into is just, you know, beyond repair. You don't even want to touch it or put it back in operation. I mean, I could have been down there for hours and hours, but it's not worth it to the customer. It's not worth repairing. So some of the stuff you just have to walk away from. You just, you know, as a technician what's going to work and what's not, and that wasn't going to work. So she does have some source of heat, and she's doing okay, but it just doesn't heat the house very well. Alright guys, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.